Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and as a doctor, let me share a story with you on the first day of New Year 2023. And if you hear this name, Agnodice, uh, she was a female in 300 BC who decided that she wants to pursue medicine. That was a time when women were not allowed to do medical science. So what she did was she dressed as a male, cut her hair short to look like a male appearance, and she finished her medical education. And after that, she started practicing. And one fine day, as she was crossing the path, she saw a woman in labor, and she went there and she said, "Let me help you out." But that particular woman said, "No, I will not allow you to touch me because you are a male." So to which Agnodice said, "No, I am a female," and she actually undressed herself to prove that she was a female. And then the lady was the lady allowed that labor to be conducted, and quietly the word kept on spreading, and all the females would go to Agnodice for their diseases, for anything in pain, and she became very popular. Right, and then the fellow doctors became jealous of her because her practice was growing, and then they filed a case that this particular doctor was trying to seduce their wives, and then the court and the judges, they sentenced her to death for practicing wrong medicine, where she proved no, she was not a male and she had no such intentions. She was a proper female working honestly for the benefit of her patients, and then the death sentence changed because the females were not permitted to do medical science. So now she was being punished a death sentence because she was doing medical science as a female. And then her hard work, her good deeds paid. The wives of the influential people and the judges, they fought with her against the wrong ruling, and the judges were forced to withdraw their ruling, and then Agnodice changed the laws of the earth that the females were permitted to do medical science. She was the first female doctor and the gynecologist. Remember, the start is always tough. The revolution requires sacrifice. She was blamed, had to undress herself, was sentenced to death, and then only she opened the doors of the world of females to medical science. Imagine. Thank you very much.